What's going on, everybody? In this short video I will tell you everything you need to know about frequency separation. Frequency separation is a fancy name for the Photoshop technique that lets you extract and fix texture of your images. To some extent, level of texture detailization can be called a frequency, thus the name. The cool thing is that when you extract the texture, the remainder of the image is saved on a separate layer and is not changed while you fix your extracted texture. There are three main appliances for frequency separation. If you are processing a portrait, especially female, you often want to get a smooth and evenly colored skin. In this case, you would tune in a frequency that would match texture of skin blemishes or other skin issues that you want to fix. If you process an image with wrinkles, like a shirt or t-shirt, and you want to smoothen them, you would tune in a higher frequency that would match texture of those wrinkles. If you process a landscape and you have some lens flares, you would tune in a frequency that would match a lens flare enough to fix it. As you can imagine, you can get very advanced with this technique, applying it even to the professional product retouching to resolve various issues with texture. Building frequency separation is very simple. It can be recorded as an action, and of course there are many available online. Frequency separation is also available as part of ArcPanel, my luminosity masking and post-processing tool. Here are the steps to build frequency separation. Merge all your layers if you need to, then make 2 copies of your merged layer. Call the top one remaining texture and hide it for now. Switch to the bottom layer and name it Extracted Texture. Then go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, or Filter, Noise, Median. This is where you extract your texture. Play with the value and try to get to the state when things that you want to fix aren't yet blurred, but everything else is. Now enable back the top layer, change blending mode to linear light. Then go to Image, Apply Image. In Layer field, select your extracted texture layer. Channel, RGB, inverted. Blending mode, add. Scale, 2. Done. Group your layers and name it frequency separation. Quite often, extracted texture contains mostly color. That is why in other tutorials, people name layers colors and texture, and then work on colors layer later. The reason is that with high blur values, every texture indeed turns into color. Try setting smaller values of blur and median to get more refined texture extraction. Now that you have extracted your texture, time to do some fixing. Duplicate your extracted texture layer. This is where we will be applying changes, and we can always go back to original if we want to. What kind of changes you would apply to the extracted texture will depend a lot on your image. With human skin, you most likely would use cologne stamp to fix skin discoloration and other issues. With commercial products or wrinkled t-shirts, you can use mixer brush. With correct settings, it mixes color around automatically, fixing texture issues or smoothing wrinkles. With lens flares, the easiest would be to fix color using patch tool or content-aware fill. Now you know everything about frequency separation. Try playing with your extracted texture and learn the effect to apply later when processing images. For more concrete examples, check my channel or browse YouTube. I will link a few nice tutorials in the sidebar. Subscribe for more post-processing tutorials and photography videos.